What's going on, everybody? Well, like I said, I got a hiking buddy and I'm gonna see how well it does a hill climb. I've got some footage from rock crawling that I'm putting together for you guys, but we're gonna see how well it does on hills. All right, well, axial rift, you guys are gonna get the inside view too. Here we go. I'd say that thing is pretty good. I mean, you see the hill and it was, you know, doing what it can do. I'll give you a side view of the hill so you can see. I mean, this is, you know, this was a decent hill that it was climbing. So anyway, for all you RC guys out there that like rock bouncers and bombers and all the rest of the stuff, and everybody in the hobby world, I hope you enjoyed that. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys later. Man, I can't believe that. Oh gosh. Well, it looks like I'm going to be spending a little bit of money because I think I blew the transmission gear. You can hear it moving in there. Man, that sucks. She's brand new. Well, looks like the company is getting some feedback from me because this is just ridiculous. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the footage. I gotta break her apart and see what's wrong with her, alright? You guys take care. I'll see you next time.